Hi guys, today we are going to see the Refine Edge tool. So I already made this selection using the quick selection tools. So just click and drag and select the picture whichever you need. So after the selections, you can just click the Refine Edge tool on top of the toolbar. So it's tool properties. Just go and select whatever the background you need. I just selected the red. So after that, I just click on the smart radius and just try to use the brush and just try to drag on the edges. So just try to make it smooth and try to avoid the background. So you can see it will be like a perfect selections. I am just gonna speed up. So after you're done the selection, there are some four options. I'm just gonna zoom in and just gonna show you smooth, feather and contrast. So you can just adjust the value according to your need. So it will just I'm just going to make a smooth value something around 8 and feather value something around like a 1. Don't give too much feather value. On contrast, almost like a 10, 5 to 10 will be fine. You'll just make it more thick at the edges. Shift edges you can just mostly keep it in minus values, so I'm just gonna make it in a minus around like a 10 to 5. That'll be fine. I'm just gonna be 20 for this because we have selected the air. Then for the output, I just selected the layer plus mask, so you can see the layers. It has the mask. So just try to add a new layer and just put it on the background like any color you want. So you can see how it looks. So we have like a perfect selection using the quick selection and the Refine Edge. Thank you guys.